Hi, I'm Betsy, member of your friendly Weepa sales team. And today, I want to introduce you to the Termite Protector weep hole screens and show you just how easy they are to install. You only have to mention the idea of termites to strike fear into the heart of homeowners. Termites are present all across Australia, and all buildings are prone to termite damage unless you are vigilant. While weep holes are critical to maintain ventilation of the wall cavity and the health of a building, until now, they have been an easy access point for termites. Refuse and garden waste left beside homes, like this log pile next to the dripping tap, make this the perfect entry point for termite. Our research and development team here at Weepa have been working on this problem for many years. The new Termite Protector weep hole screen is our patented solution to the dilemma of maintaining airflow and drainage while deterring termite entry through weep holes. Weepa Termite Protector weep hole screen is not just a physical screen designed to maintain ventilation in your brick cavity wall. It's also infused with bifenthrin, which repels termites and other insects. This is an easy-to-install product which can be retrofitted after construction, either DIY or by your pest controller. The Weepa Termite Protector has undergone extensive testing under extreme termite attack in the Northern Territory. In addition to its fringe, which will mold around most irregularities in your weep holes, the insect repellent will keep pests away. The Termite Protector is approved for use by the Australian Pesticides and Veterinary Medicines Authority. It will deter concealed termite entry by subterranean termites for up to 2 years and is an effective addition to your termite and pest management plan. Just like our original protector, the Termite Protector is super easy to install. Each pack contains 20 individual screens and an easy-to-use applicator. So at this stage, we'll have removed all of our individual screens from the packaging. We'll take the first screen and the applicator. We'll attach those. I'm going to line up the applicator with the weep hole and firmly press the Termite Protector into the weep hole until the stopper touches the brick. And it's in, easy peasy. Simply repeat the process until all your weep holes are screened. After installation, use the included sticker to record the installation date and batch number. Place this in your fuse box so that your pest controller will see it and they'll know when it needs to be replaced. Our Termite Protector weep hole screens are just one part of your own complete termite and pest management systems. They should be replaced every 2 years, and we recommend regular inspections by your pest controller. Weepa Termite Protector weep hole screens are available at Bunnings, Globe Pest Solutions, as well as all good hardware stores. For more information about the Termite Protector weep hole screen, including technical specifications, visit our website. Feel free to call our friendly customer service team if you need help to find a convenient reseller.